Hello dears. Already we have completed the explanation of the past tense, all four subtenses: simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous tense. Even I gave the notes also, the usage also we have learnt. And in today's class we are going to learn the examples in different situations, how to use different past tenses, where we have to use simple past, where past continuous, where past perfect, and where past perfect continuous. To explain all these four subtenses, I wrote few examples on the board. Here, along with my explanation, look at the board and listen to me very carefully, all of you. Yeah, first let us go with the first example. He dashed run when the arrow dashed him. This is what the sentence given here. Okay, here two actions happened, running and hitting, but one action was in progress. It was in progress at the time of another action happened. That action which is in progress, for that we use past continuous, and the action which is completed, for that we use simple past. Now you can easily say this action, running, this action was in progress, and hit action, that action was happened. Okay, that's why here we use past continuous. He was running. When the arrow, what is the V2 form of hit? V2, V3 also hit only. This is what the irregular verb type 3. Hit, just like cut. Okay, broadcast, just like shut. In the same way here, hit also, V2 form also hit only. That's why here you have to write hit him. Don't understand that. Here we haven't taken V2 form. V2 form also hit only. Okay, that's why here I wrote hit here. See, let us read the sentence completely. He was running when the arrow hit him. He was running when the arrow hit him. That is what the sentence we use for the past actions. Yeah. Now coming to the second example. They dash leave the house when I dash call on them. Okay. See, here also one action is in progress, another action is completed. At the time of another action is in progress, one action is completed, and here this action is in progress. They were leaving. Just use some common sense here. This action was in progress when this action happened. Otherwise, this action could not be happened. Okay, if they left already, how could I call on them? I can't. That's why, using some common sense, we can clearly say that this action was in progress. This action happened already. Okay, they were leaving the house when I called on them. Okay, yeah. Now coming to the second example, I dashed a bicycle yesterday. Which tense we have to use here?
Simple past tense.
Yes, that's clear. Simple past tense we use. I bought a bicycle. We see here, yesterday is an adverb which shows that this action happened in the past without a point of time, with a point of time, but without a duration of time. That's why only simple past we use here. I bought a bicycle yesterday. This is simple past. Simple past. Yeah. Now coming to the fourth example. She dash informed me that she dash do the work already. See clearly here. For this fourth example, we can't use past continuous. Here we can use simple past and another action in past perfect. Okay. Why? See, for example here, any action was not in progress. Any action was not in a continuous form. Either inform or do. Okay. See, because here both the actions are completed in the past, but one action was completed earlier, one action later. As I explained in past perfect tense, the action which completed earlier should be written in past perfect. And what is the structure of past perfect tense? Subject plus had plus V3 form. Okay, and the earlier action we use past perfect tense, the later action we use simple past, which is V2 form. Okay, look at here. She informing and done the work. The action of inform is a later action. The word already was showing that this action of doing was completed already earlier. Action of doing work. It completed earlier in the past. That's why, as we learned in past perfect tense, the action which completed earlier, for that we use past perfect tense. She had done the work already, and here we use simple past. She informed. She informed me that she had done the work already. Look at this example very, very carefully. Informing, doing the work. In this, the earlier action is doing. That's why we used past perfect tense here. She had done the work already. And this is a later action. Later action. Okay, that's why we use here informed. She informed me that she had done the work already. At the time of inform, she completed doing the work. That's why we are using past perfect tense here. Is that clear? I repeat the sentence. She informed me that she had done the work already. She had done the work already. Yeah, now coming to the fifth example. She dashed chess for 1 month. This is the number 1 number. 1 month when I met him. Okay, see here, the time period is there here for 1 month. Learn, this action was going on for a period of time in the past. That's why here we need to use past perfect continuous tense. We can't use past he was learning chess. It's wrong here. We can't use past continuous. Remember very carefully, all of you. Okay, try to understand this. He had been learning. Past perfect continuous tense is the only suitable verb form here for this particular situation, because here this action went on for a period of time, for 1 month. When another action happened in the past, when I met him. Okay, that means this action of learning chess was going on in the past before that time onwards. That's why here we have to use past perfect tense. He had been learning chess for 1 month when I met him. This is what the usage of the past perfect continuous tense for the period of time, the action which was going on at a point of time in the past. These are the various examples for the 4 subtenses of the past tense. Here we used past continuous, simple past. Here we used again simple past, and here we used past perfect tense. And finally, in the last example, we used past perfect continuous tense because the situation is given like that. Okay, these are the examples for the past tense.